Hello everyone! Welcome back again to my channel. For today's video, I want to marinate the mutton kabab. So before anything else, pag hindi pa kayo nakapag-subscribe sa channel ko, please subscribe on my channel. Click the bell button and select the all for more video. So let's start for our ingredients for today, guys. So I have this 4 kilo of mutton meat or meat cubes. So I have also more than half kilo of onion. I make it crushed. I have 1 1/2 tablespoon of black pepper. I need salt and lemon powder, and also yogurt. So the yogurt, guys, we will put after we make marinade. So let's crush first the onion. Now I will crush the onion first using this crusher. Now, let's combine our ingredients together. I already crushed the onion, and this is all the more than half kilo. So first, I put the 4 kilo of meat cubes, like this. And then, this one. The lemon powder, I will put 4 tablespoons in 4 kilo. And the black pepper and the salt, I put 2 tablespoons. And the onion. So just mix it all together. And marinate overnight. And then, guys, I put this olive oil little bit. So we have to marinate first until the afternoon, and then we will put the yogurt. So the salt and the lemon powder is already okay. If you want to more spicy, you can add more black pepper or chili powder. So I put here in the container for marination. Marinate and put after the yogurt. Now, guys, after marinating this meat, we have now to put the yogurt. I put yogurt. I think half of this one I put. So after you put the yogurt, guys, you have to add more salt and black pepper. So the yogurt is okay. Not too much. Now this is now my kebab. Want to taste. So the salt is okay. The black pepper is okay. So I will not put again. That's it. So guys, we have to put also the kiwi, half only, half, because this one, it will help your meat to become soft. So put the kiwi together with the yogurt. Just crush and mix all together. Then after, your meat is very soft. So that's it, guys. We have to transfer again in the container before putting in the skillet, what is this? Stick and grill. Thank you for watching.